we are going to discuss about excretion topic, which is under the chapter life processes. Now we have discussed till now that organisms get rid of their nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid through many processes, like in also metabolic activities like respiration, digestion. The waste product is being produced, so these products needs to be removed also. So there is an particular process in which these products, urea and uric acid and other nitrogenous waste, are removed, is called excretion. This varies in different organisms. In single celled organisms, the organisms simply use diffusion to remove their waste. And in the multicellular organism, the organism uses some specialized organs and some specialized tissues to do so. So let's now talk about excretion in human beings. Mainly in excretory system, the organs which are involved are a pair of kidneys which are present at the abdomen cavity and one of the either side of the backbone, and a pair of ureters. These are the pipeline which connects from kidney to the urinary bladder. A urinary bladder, which is an temporary storage of urine and other waste substances, and at last there is urethra, in which they remove there is an the waste is excreted. So now let's talk about kidneys. Kidneys has a main function of removing impurities and waste like urea and uric acid from the blood. So these are removed by the basic filtration units which are called nephrons. The nephrons has a small blood capillaries through which urine is passed through, and there is an Bowman's capsule in which the filtered or the glucose, salts, amino acids are reabsorbed and stored there. So there are a large number of nephrons in the kidneys. So uh, at in a nutshell, we can conclude that kidney is mainly purposed to clean the blood and absorb mostly the water and other glucose, amino acids. Now this waste urine is transported or passed through the ureters, which are the pipeline structures, and then it is stored in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores the urine and other substances for some time, and then having the pressure on it, and it due to the pressure it lets it go through the urethra, and then the waste product is excreted through the outside the human body. Now this was all in the excretory system in the human beings. There is some some new facts that if our kidney doesn't work, we use an artificial kidney which has artificial pipeline structure in which the blood is purified. But the artificial kidney system, which is called hemodialysis, it doesn't have reabsorption feature, so it cannot reabsorb the glucose, amino acids again. And then there is an discussion about the organ donations, how the people donate their organ. This is an generous act when a person donates an organ, because this donation will transform a person's life and make it more living. Mostly the organ donation is done when a donor is brain dead or is already about to die, or there is and some situations in which the donor can be alive and even donate some organs. So the organs which are donated when the donor is alive is some parts of liver, kidneys, and other tissues. And when donor is about to die, or the donor is brain dead, the organs which are donated is cortex, heart, lungs, uh, and brain. That's all. So through this till now we have discussed about the excretion system, what is excretion required, and then we have discussed about its different organisms has different excretion system, and then we have discussed about excretion system in human beings, and then about artificial kidney, and then organ donation. For now, that's all.